Hey everyone, and welcome back to another how-to video for Yoursociallinks.com. In our last video, we covered how to set up your backdrop. So if you missed that, no worries, I'll drop the link in the description below. Today, we're diving into something super important, which are your buttons. These are the links people will click to jump straight to your socials. So let's get into it. Once you've logged in, scroll just below your backdrop. You'll see the buttons or links section. That's where all the magic happens. Let's say you want to add your YouTube. Just head over to youtube.com, grab your channel's URL, and paste it right into the URL feed on your social links. After that, you can rename the button to whatever you want. I'm keeping it simple and calling this one YouTube. Next, pick an icon. I'm choosing the classic play button. Hit Save Buttons, scroll up, and you'll instantly see a live preview. And the cool thing is, if you click on this little button down here, you have a drop down of everything that you can have as far as your links go. So if you select YouTube and you scroll up, it'll give you a live preview on the YouTube Red. You can see there with the TikTok, you click this and go to TikTok Shop just as an example. You can see it's changed color. After you've done, again, save buttons. Now, let's add another one. Maybe your TikTok page. Same steps. You go to tiktok.com, copy your profile link in the URL, paste it into your social links, customize the name and icon, hit save, and boom, done. This works for any link. If you can copy the URL, you can add it. Once everything's saved, scroll up and click the View Public Page to see exactly what your visitors will see. Now, when someone clicks a button on your page, they'll instantly be redirected to the platform you linked. Easy. I hope this helped, and if it did, hit that like button and drop a comment. Let me know what tutorial you want next in the series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.